Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're embarking on a journey to create a home that sparks joy, not stress, through the simple act of cleaning. Many believe that achieving a sparkling clean home requires complicated routines and expensive products. But I believe that true cleanliness stems from simplicity and intention. That's why I'm excited to share a 5-minute DIY guide to freshen up your home using natural, affordable ingredients. We'll be creating cleaning solutions that are gentle on your home, gentle on the environment, and spark joy with their effectiveness. Let's dive in and discover the magic of a naturally clean and happy home. Our first recipe is a versatile all-purpose cleaner. Combine 1 cup of water with half a cup of distilled white vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda slowly, as it will fizz. Add 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil. Close the spray bottle and shake well. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful all-purpose cleaner. Next, let's create a glass cleaner that will leave your windows and mirrors sparkling like never before. In a new spray bottle, combine equal parts water and white vinegar. 1 cup of each will do. This simple combination is incredibly effective at cutting through grime and leaving glass crystal clear. Now, for an extra boost of cleaning power, add a tablespoon of rubbing alcohol to the mix. Rubbing alcohol helps to prevent streaks and ensures a fast-drying, sparkling finish. Close the bottle tightly and shake well to combine the ingredients. And there you have it, a DIY glass cleaner that is not only effective but also gentle on your home and the environment. Cleaning the toilet bowl isn't glamorous, but with this DIY cleaner, it's easy and effective. Sprinkle 1 cup of baking soda, then pour in 1 cup of vinegar. The fizz tackles stains and odors. Scrub with a brush. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Scrub again and flush. Your toilet will be sparkling clean. Now, let's bring some love to our wooden furniture and restore their natural shine with a simple, homemade polish. In a spray bottle, combine a 1/4 cup of olive oil with a 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Olive oil acts as a natural moisturizer for wood, while vinegar gently cleanses and removes dirt. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for its cleaning properties and fresh scent. Lemon juice also helps to cut through any greasy residue on the furniture. Close the bottle tightly and shake well to emulsify the mixture. Spray a small amount of the polish onto a microfiber cloth. Remember, a little goes a long way. Gently rub the polish onto your furniture, working in circular motions to buff the wood and bring out its natural shine. Your furniture will thank you for this nourishing and revitalizing treatment. Our final DIY cleaning solution is a simple yet effective carpet deodorizer that will leave your carpet smelling fresh and clean. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of baking soda with 15 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Baking soda is a natural odor absorber, while the essential oil adds a touch of freshness and fragrance. Mix the baking soda and essential oil thoroughly, ensuring the oil is evenly distributed. Sprinkle this mixture liberally onto your carpets, focusing on areas that tend to trap odors. Allow the mixture to sit on the carpet for at least 15 to 20 minutes, or even longer for deeper cleaning. Finally, vacuum up the baking soda mixture thoroughly. Your carpets will not only look cleaner, but also smell wonderfully fresh and inviting. And there you have it, 5 simple and effective DIY cleaning solutions using natural, affordable ingredients. Remember, a clean home is not about perfection, but about creating a space that feels refreshing and brings you joy. A few final tips. Use microfiber cloths for cleaning. They are much more effective at trapping dust and dirt than traditional cloths. Before you start cleaning, take a moment to tidy up and declutter. This will make the cleaning process much more manageable and enjoyable. And lastly, embrace the power of daily maintenance. A few minutes each day can prevent dirt and clutter from building up. These DIY solutions are not just about cleaning, they're about creating a mindful connection with your home. I hope these simple recipes inspire you to create a home that is both sparkling clean and filled with joy. Happy cleaning, everyone!